Here are 9 signs the guy you have got is so helplessly in love. He will never fall out of it. Number 1. He caters to you. He makes sure you are happy day in day out. He listens to your crazy walk stories. He rubs your neck when it's sore. He cooks you dinner on the night you are feeling sleepy. Caring for you is one of his top priorities, and he does a damn good job of it. Number 2. Sex isn't the main factor for him. Sure, he likes to do the dirty here and there, but sex isn't the reason he is with you. Far from it, in fact. He wants to do so much more with you by his side. Travel to another country. Sample beer. Have a half birthday party. The possibilities are endless. Number 3. He keeps you in mind when making major decisions. He doesn't take a new job without talking to you first. Or maybe he is thinking about renting an apartment across the city, but he wants to double check that the commute between your place and his will be okay. Sizable decisions like this have a bearing on your partnership, and he is well aware. Number 4. He tells you things he's never told anyone. Late at night, which everybody knows, is prime time for life's most meaningful conversation. He tells you things he's never ever told anyone, not even his best brother. This is the equivalent of a man forking over his heart. Number 5. He doesn't flirt with other girls. If he has eyes only for you, seriously, just you. These guys are different fish, and you don't have to. Monitor his every move to see if he is hitting up other ladies. Call it a woman's instinct or whatever, but you just know, you know. Number 6. He loves making you feel special. He doesn't just greet you like a queen, he wants to treat you like a queen. Sure, it can feel like a occur in any committed relationship, but for the most part, he has got a smile on his face when he is with you because you are the one.